seen each other for about 6 years. If you're in the market for a house, we have one for sale over here on the right for you. This modern white mansion takes up the whole end of the peninsula there. When the gentleman bought that house, he bought another house nearby so that he could make a basketball court. And he bought another house nearby so he could build a sculpture garden. He ended up buying 4 properties there to make this huge property. And you're all in luck, they've just reduced the price. It was $98 million and they dropped it down to $80 million. So now's your chance. You're wondering what the property taxes are on that property? $675,000 a year for the property tax. Coming up on the right, you'll see a modern white mansion with a big black window down the middle. You might recognize that house from TV. They used it for the opening scenes of the TV show Miami Vice. It was built by the producer and director, Mr. Michael Mann. He didn't like it. Yeah, he's got a motorcycle bar in the window there. He didn't like having overnight guests at that house. He built it as a 1-bedroom mansion.
Wow.
Totally on board with that. You look over here on the right, you see another modern white mansion on the water there. Look on the left side of the property. Big silver yacht. Yacht W is about 170 feet long, and he doesn't have enough room in front of his house to park it there, so he keeps it at this marina across the way. It costs him $25,000 a month to park there. This marina is one of the biggest marinas in South Florida. It's the Bahia Mar Yachting Center with about 250 boats. Making our way into the marina to our next stop, stop number 5. Stop number 5 is the closest stop to the beach. The beach is going to be directly across the street. Not much else around here, a couple of hotels. If you want to go to the beach stop with the boardwalk, the oceanfront promenade, all the shops and restaurants and bars along the oceanfront, that's the next stop coming up, stop number 6. Anyone for stop number 5? Anybody for 5? So again, it's hurricane season. A lot of the boats leave Fort Lauderdale for hurricane season. The big, huge yachts will go over the Mediterranean and spend summer there. Smaller boats head up the East Coast, places like Annapolis and Newport, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket. And then they'll all return to Fort Lauderdale around Thanksgiving and spend the week. So the beach and the ocean across the street there to the left, about 47 miles east of us, are the Bahamas. So it's a real quick boat ride from here. And in the wintertime, these boats just go back and forth, taking folks on cruising through the Bahamas. good look at Yacht W again over here on the right. Built by Fedship. You see that Fedship logo on the back. That's the most exclusive, most desirable yacht builder in the world. They're the Rolls Royce of yacht builders. That yacht took 5 years to build, entirely custom built, cost $80 million. Now the next one coming up, Yacht Liberty. Has everybody seen that show on TV, Below Deck, about the charter business? What that means is you can rent out an entire yacht for a week-long all-inclusive vacation. A lot of these yachts back here are charter boats. Liberty, for example, will take 12 people out for 1 week. Starts at $405,000 for the week. You're on the water taxi today for $40. There's our double decker.
So what happened to Jim Moran's spaceship?
What's that?
What happened to Jim Moran's spaceship?
So,
Is that a mix of rock?
yeah, Acta